Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly enter BIOS with one click in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for CMD. Here you can see command prompt. You have to click on this. Now you have to write here this link. After writing this link, you have to press on enter. This will tell the PC to restart and enter the BIOS mode. So this is how you can quickly enter BIOS with one click in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.